What's up, happy people? So this is day 2 here of cleaning the boat, and last time got quite a bit done, and today we're gonna get a whole lot more done. Hang with me and we're gonna get this thing clean. All right, everybody, so the first thing we have done is change out of our shoes. From this point on, there will be no more dirty, nasty outside shoes on the boat. It's gonna be all nice and clean shoes. But here we go, we're gonna hook up the wet dry vac and we're gonna get this floor clean, get all this little trash and dirt off the floor. We're gonna get it together in here. All right, everybody, so now we got that done. My next thing is basically to mainly want to get this spot here. Everything else seems to be pretty much okay. But yeah, so our next step is to put down some Dawn dish detergent and put some water on it just so we can agitate it with this push broom here. So that's what we're gonna do. Let me set everything up, then I'm gonna show you guys the process. All right, guys, so we're gonna start by pouring off a little bit of water on the floor. I'm just gonna try and get it everywhere. I don't want to put too much, but mainly in those spots. I'm gonna put it right here as well. And after we finish this, guys, we're gonna actually get this seat clean as well. It's gonna look like a brand new seat. Yeah, so let's put some soap down. They say this is the best thing. Put some more right here too. Some best thing for getting. Ooh, smells good in here now. Don't smell like an old boat. For those of you that own an old boat, you guys know what that smells like. So yeah, now it's time to agitate it a little bit. You know I gotta show the West love. Had to take a trip to Cali for the best stuff. I've been chilling with the crew, yeah, the real ones. Went to Sacramento, yeah, I met a real plug. I said I'm looking for. Maybe I'm gonna use a smaller brush because this one's a little bit too hard to maneuver. I'm gonna do it with this smaller brush. Try to clean up the sticks. I'll put this here for now because I don't want to be all the way down here on the ground, but I think this will work better. Yeah, that work better when I'm agitating. Put her in a rental, told her run it back. Fly another one in with even more. Welcome to California, the state of like I said, guys, this is the main spot here that I want to focus on. Just because this is where when I was working on the boat, I just had a lot of high traffic here with me walking in and out and having tools. So I know today I ought to put like a little mat down in here, but it's okay. I even still might just buy a rug and sit the rug right here. That's what a lot of people do to hide spots like that, right? So yeah, so this is how I wanted the clean to go yesterday, but it did it. Getting tired now. This kind of why I wanted a big broom, but work with what I got. Tried to get the big broom and use it, but it didn't work the way I thought it was gonna work. All right, we're gonna get the wet dry. Got a wet dry vac. We're gonna get the carpet cleaner and come soak it all up. All right, guys, so this is where this comes in handy. Look at all that dirt is pulling up. Oh, that's disgusting. That's like chocolate milk right there, guys. I think I'm gonna do it one more time as well, just to make sure I got everything probably do that off camera, but I just want to show you guys that probably gonna keep doing it basically until no more dirty water comes up into the carpet cleaner. Yeah guys, so it's looking very, very nice. I'm sweating, and right now I'm testing out if these shades will work really good. These Ray-Ban Metas, just with all the sweat and stuff I got right now. Because the first time I got them right before I went to Africa, as you guys saw on my other vlogs and stuff. And it didn't turn out so well. It kind of broke within a week of being in Africa just from the heat and me sweating. So now I'm getting a real test again in the heat of this boat. I don't want to turn on the fan because I want you guys to be able to hear me. So that's why I'm kind of leaving that off for now. And yeah, pretty nice cleaning this carpet right here. And just seeing how it's turning out. Yep, so I'm just gonna keep going. And these metas are pretty good. I just wish they recorded longer video. But this would be pretty easy to put together instead of trying to do it off the phone and stuff, because I can do it directly to my laptop. That's what I did on that. Yeah, that looks very good now. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna hit it one more time, guys. I'm gonna try and get all this dirt up first before I move on and do it again. I just want the water to stop sucking up first. And who knows, I might not have to do it just depending on how it turns out. So far it's looking beautiful. Very clean. Almost knocked that over. Same right here. Yeah. My beautiful mother joined me. I got carried away with running the boat today, guys. But yeah, the carpet's clean, as you guys can see. I'm probably gonna clean it again. And then I am about to focus on this chair right here. We're gonna spray some. Well, my mom actually said we should try Dawn first instead of bleach because we don't wanna make the chairs turn yellow since they're white. So we're gonna try a little bit of Dawn first, wipe it down, and see what happens. Because it worked for the carpet, why wouldn't it work for that? All right, everybody, so we got this little spot right here with some Dawn on it. So we're gonna just try with a spot and see what happens. Pour a little bit of water on it, not too much, because that's obviously what made it seat like this. Water. It's doing pretty good. Probably don't need no bleach. I think I take this one all the way out. And get it real good. I'm gonna probably clean down in there too as well at some point. I'm gonna come back with a towel, wipe it off, see what we got. It's a little bit better. What do you think? Think I should try bleach on it? A little bit of bleach. So we went to the actual Clorox disinfecting bleach, and we're gonna let it sit right there. We had a little spot right there. We're gonna see what happens. This up here looked like it worked pretty well. Like we left a little soap stain. It's all right though. It's better than this. You can tell the difference, right? Would you sit on that? Yeah. Yeah. That's an old boat, so it ain't gonna be perfect. Yeah, it's better than not cleaning it though. Let's see what happens now. No, it ain't coming out. Maybe somebody set some on there that just got stuck in there. All right, guys, I'm about to clean the rest of the seat right now. All right, everybody, so this is the finished product right here. Had to basically update my meta glasses. The reason why is because I guess it was just out of date and it wouldn't record a video, but now it's updated, so I want to just show you guys the finished product and look good in here. So next week I plan on coming back and cleaning up the kitchen here, cleaning out the refrigerator as well, cleaning the stove, cleaning down here on the floor, and then cleaning up this disaster of a bathroom. This is disgusting in here. And also I may pressure wash the boat if I have enough time as well. But yeah, so that's gonna be on next week's episode. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. G-Storm out, much love.